What if I told you that there's a way to calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and feel more grounded in just 4 breaths? This is a super powerful practice when you're feeling anxious, when you're feeling overwhelmed. Just doing it for 1 minute can make a huge difference. What if I told you that there's a way to calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and feel more grounded in just 4 breaths? So I'm going to talk about a simple but really powerful technique that's used by the Navy SEALs and top performers and wellness practitioners all around the world. And you can do it anywhere, you can do it anytime, and you can do it with your breath. I'm Kelsey Matheson. I'm one of the co-founders and co-owners of Anamaya Resort and Retreat Center in Costa Rica. I'm also a yoga teacher. I'm a certified life and business coach. And I've worked with thousands of women and women wellness entrepreneurs, yoga teachers, healers, and coaches. And at Anamaya, we care deeply about supporting your transformation. And one of the easiest tools to regulate your nervous system and decrease your stress and anxiety levels, improve your focus, and just connect with yourself to be present in the moment is something you already have in your tool belt. And that tool is your breath. Now, you may have heard of box breathing before, or maybe this is new for you, or maybe this is just a great reminder. But box breathing it's a simple technique where you inhale, you hold, you exhale, and hold. And you do each of those for the same amount of time or for the same count. And some people also call it 4-square breathing. So just kind of think of it like drawing a box with your breath. You inhale, you hold, you exhale, and you hold. And box breathing is used mainly just to calm your mind, but you can use it to regulate your emotions, to create space between, what you're being, the stimulus and the response, like what's happening externally, and to bring the focus back internally. So you're not just reacting, right? You're choosing, you're making a decision to choose how to show up in your life, regardless of the circumstances. And this is a super powerful practice when you're feeling anxious, when you're feeling overwhelmed, when maybe you're about to have a big meeting or an important conversation, maybe you're stepping out on stage, or you have a big presentation to give. It's super helpful if you just need a minute to recenter during your day. It's also super helpful as you transition into sleep. Now, I do have another breathing technique that I'll share in another video that is specifically for sleep. But box breathing is also awesome for sleep. It's really great for sleep as well. You can use it also to start your morning. So instead of grabbing your phone and, checking your email or doom scrolling, just take a minute to do some box breathing, just to get grounded, to get into your body, and to start your day off in a really great state. So even if you were to do it for 1 minute, you can set a timer on your phone. Just doing it for 1 minute can make a huge difference. But what I would say is ideally you would want to work your way up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I know some people who do it for 5 minutes, right? And that will give you a deeper nervous system regulation. And the best part is you can do it and you're sitting, you can do it laying down, you can do it with your eyes closed, you can do it with your eyes open. It's super flexible. It's super accessible. You can do it when you're stuck in traffic. You can do it in a meeting. And when you do it, what you're going to do is you're going to inhale and exhale through your nose. So this is done through nasal breathing. And I'll explain a little bit more about why we breathe in and out of our nose after we practice. So let's do it together. Let's practice together. Okay. So we'll do it for a count of 4 for each side of the box. And you can sit tall, you can relax your shoulders, you can lay down if you'd like, you can close your eyes or just soften your gaze. It's totally up to you. Just get yourself into a comfortable position. And then you can lay your hands gently in your lap or by your sides, and we'll begin. So you're going to inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax. Beautiful. That was just over a minute. Just bring your awareness back to your body. How do you feel? Do you feel calmer? Do you feel more present? Do you feel more relaxed? Do you feel more energized? Or maybe you feel a little sleepy or more spacious, depending on the time of the day. So the reason why nasal breathing is preferred for this practice is because it activates the parasympathetic nervous system. So the rest and digest, nervous system, part of your nervous system that helps you calm down, helps you regulate stress response more effectively. It stimulates the vagus nerve. And it also improves oxygen exchange. So nasal breathing slows down the breath and encourages deeper, more efficient oxygen uptake, which basically supports better mental clarity. It supports your focus. And one of the reasons why it's used by the Navy SEALs and high performers under pressure is for this reason, is because it encourages deeper and more efficient oxygen uptake. It also filters and warms the air. Like your nose acts as a natural filter. So warming and humidifying and cleansing the air before it enters your lungs is super important. And this protects your respiratory system. And it also reduces, your exposure to allergens and irritants. And nasal breathing supports mindfulness. It naturally slows your rhythm and it helps you to become more aware of your breath, right? You're focused on your breath, deepening, let's say, like the meditative and grounding effects of box breathing. It's a simple tool. You can return to it at any time, anywhere, right? So maybe you're navigating a stressful time in your life, or you're preparing for something really important, or you just want to be a little more conscious about taking care of your nervous system. Box breathing is a really easy tool. It's really accessible. It's here for you to use at any time. And if you found this practice helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to Anamaya's channel for more tools to support your wellness journey. There's more resources and information in the description. And if you're ready for a true reset, then I would love for you to join us in Costa Rica. Anamaya is more than a resort and a retreat center. It's really a transformational place to come home to yourself. And we would love to see you there and to host you. So thank you so much for breathing with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ciao for now.